Today, we're going to talk about The Psychology of Money, a book that genuinely changed the way I think about money, wealth, and life. It's been a long time since I reviewed a book on this channel, but this one deserved a full video. If you want to understand money beyond numbers, not just where to invest or what to buy, but how people think about money, why we make bad financial decisions, and what actually creates long-term wealth, this book is one of the best places to start. In this video, I'll share 9 powerful lessons I personally learned while reading The Psychology of Money, and I truly hope these lessons are as valuable for you as they were for me. Whenever we see a rich person, we only see what's visible. An expensive car, a big house, luxury vacations, designer clothes, and instantly we assume, wow, this person must be wealthy. But here's the truth. What you see is often the opposite of wealth. Wealth is what you don't see. Loans, debt, financial stress, money that looks impressive but is already spent. Most people fall into the same trap the moment they start earning. They buy expensive phones, luxury watches, bigger cars, Instagram vacations. Because deep down, they want people to see their success. When people say, I want to earn millions, what they often mean is, I want to earn millions so I can spend millions. That's not wealth. Wealth means having money that quietly works in the background. Money you don't need to show. Money you don't need to explain. True wealth is invisible. Many people can make money once. Lottery winners, sudden success stories, one lucky opportunity. But staying wealthy is the real challenge. There are studies showing that many lottery winners end up financially worse than before. Why? Because earning money is one skill. Protecting and growing it is another. Take a simple example. You put all your savings into a fixed deposit because it feels safe, earning 4 to 5% annually. But inflation is rising faster than that. So even though your money is growing on paper, its real value is shrinking every year. Staying wealthy means understanding time, inflation, and patience, not just safety. This might be the most important lesson in the entire book. Money's greatest value is not luxury. It is not status. It is not showing off. It's control over your time. If you earn money only to impress others, you'll be stuck on a treadmill forever. There will always be someone richer, someone better, someone you feel pressured to compete with. But when money buys you time to think, time to rest, time to choose what you work on, that's real freedom. The happiest phase of my life didn't come from earning more, it came from having time. Time to reflect, time to create. Time to work because I wanted to, not because I had to. Even doing work you love can feel miserable if you don't control your schedule. Doing something you love on someone else's clock can feel just as painful as doing something you hate. Happiness isn't about the work alone, it's about autonomy. If you don't define what enough looks like, you'll never stop chasing. Sit down one day and ask yourself, what kind of life do I actually want? What do I need to live that life comfortably? When I did this exercise for the first time, I was shocked. The number was far smaller than I imagined. Knowing enough is liberating because you stop running a race that never ends. We love believing success is only hard work. But luck plays a massive role in timing, opportunities, and exposure. The smartest people understand this and increase their chances of getting lucky. They send emails, they reach out, they try repeatedly. You can't control luck, but you can increase its probability. Your 20s are not for impressing people. No one expects you to be rich, yet that's when people try the hardest to show off. Living below your means creates flexibility, peace, and opportunity. Happiness comes from enjoying today, not chasing a future version of happiness that never arrives. If an investment gives you anxiety, destroys your sleep, and keeps you stressed, it's not worth it. Money should reduce stress, not create it. Peace is a return, too. Most people think income minus expenses equals savings. But I think of it differently. Needs minus ego equals savings. Needs are essentials. Ego is desire. The more you reduce ego spending, the more wealth you quietly build. The psychology of money isn't a technical investing guide. It's something more powerful. It teaches you how money shapes behavior, emotions, decisions, and happiness. If you want a healthier relationship with money, not just more of it, this book is absolutely worth reading. In a future video, I'll talk more personally about my own relationship with money, what I learned from having less, and what I learned from having more. Until then, remember this. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to live free.